Hey everyone, do you think you know everything about WhatsApp? Well, think again because today I am going to show you some insane hidden features that will change how you use this app forever. From going completely invisible to reading voice notes without playing them, we are covering it all. Stick around to the end because the last trick is a total game changer. Imagine being online but showing as offline to everyone, or even sharing someone else's status directly to yours without using any third-party apps. These are not just settings, they are secret power moves that most people have no clue about. I have tested every single one of these on my own device and they work like magic in the latest update. Before we dive into this secret settings, there is one crucial step you must do first. Open the Play Store on your Android or the App Store on your iPhone and search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap on it immediately. Having the latest version ensures all these hidden gems are actually available on your device right now. First up is the ultimate ghost mode for when you want to use your phone without being disturbed by WhatsApp messages. Open your WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner to go into settings. Now find the storage and data option and tap it. At the very bottom, you will see a feature called Proxy. This is our weapon. Tap on Proxy and then select Setup Proxy to enter the configuration screen. In the proxy host field, simply type 1.1.1.1 and then click the checkmark or save. Once you toggle this on, your WhatsApp will go offline even if your mobile data is active. You can browse the web without any annoying notifications popping up. Ever seen a friend's status and wished you could post it as your own without asking them to send it? Go back to your main settings and navigate to Privacy. Look for the status section and tap it. There is a new toggle here called Allow Sharing that you need to enable. This simple switch lets you share status updates with one tap. Are you tired of getting random messages from numbers you don't know? Let's fix that right now in the Advanced settings under Privacy. Scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced to find the Block Unknown Account Messages option. Turn this switch on and WhatsApp will automatically filter out and block any incoming messages from people who are not in your list. If you are finding these hidden tricks helpful so far, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Fix Your Apps. We put a lot of research into these tutorials to make sure you get the most out of your technology every single day. Now let's get back to the most requested feature, reading messages. We have all been in a situation where we receive a voice note but cannot listen to it because we are in a meeting or a loud place. Go into your WhatsApp settings and tap on Chats to find the voice message transcripts option. Tap on it and select your preferred language. I usually pick English for the best accuracy for users. After you click Setup Now and let the app download the necessary language data, a new world opens up. Whenever you get a voice note, you will see a small transcribe button right below the audio bar. Just tap it and the app will instantly convert the spoken words into text that you can read silently. No more playing loud audio. Want to chat with someone special without letting everyone else know you are online? Head back to Privacy and tap on Last Seen and Online. First change the bottom setting to same as last seen so it follows your privacy rules. This is the first step to becoming a WhatsApp ninja who can move through the app without digital footprints. Now tap on My Contacts Accept and a list of all your contacts will appear on your screen. Tap the icon to select everyone, then search for the person you actually want to chat with and uncheck their name. Hit the green check mark to save. Now only that one person will see you as online while everyone else thinks you are busy. Finally, let's talk about some cool typing hacks to make your messages look professional. If you type an asterisk, then a space, it automatically starts a bulleted list for you. Typing a 1 followed by a period and a space starts a numbered list that continues automatically. You can also use asterisks for bold text or underscores for italics easily. That wraps up our deep dive into the hidden world of WhatsApp features. I hope these tips help you use the app more efficiently and keep your privacy locked down tight. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs these tricks. Thanks for watching. Fix your apps today.